Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd show you what I picked up on Yeezy Day. And as you can see, it was quite a lot. So I'll open them all up and show you them individually, and I'll let you know my favourites and what I kind of regret picking up. Because out of all the shoes, there are some I should have let go. So we'll start with the left hand side, and this is the first pair. I've got no idea what each of them are, so we'll open up and see what I got. So the first one is a Yeezy 350 V2. So this one is the hyperspace colorway. So when this sneaker first released, it was an Asia exclusive Yeezy 350 V2, but now they seem to have re-released it pretty much everywhere. And it's okay, it's just a more bluey green tint to what is essentially a Yeezy cream or a Yeezy bone. And then on the bottom we have a almost gum-like sole, but it's just a bit lighter. And to be fair, I actually think the pictures make this look a lot better than it does in person. I'm not actually that big a fan of it in person, and I'll probably be returning these because I actually don't like these the more I look at them in hand. Let me know what you think of these, but I'm probably going to return these ones. So next one on the left hand side, open this one up. So as you can see, it's a Yeezy 700. So this pair apparently was a Yeezy Day exclusive. So this is the Yeezy 700 High Res Blue. And yeah, they're a little wild in person. Color is incredibly bright, and I'm sure it shows up on the camera, but trust me, these are bold. Not sure I'll ever wear these, but the fact that it's a Yeezy Day exclusive makes it pretty special. So I actually might keep hold of these and do a comparison for them very soon. Next, on the left hand side, we have an absolute massive Yeezy box. I'm not actually sure why this one's so much bigger than the rest, because I think I ordered them all in the same size. Open it up. And yes, this box is very small inside. So this is another Yeezy 350 V2, and I believe this must be the first pickup that I got of the day. And it's the re-release of the Yeezy 350 V2 with the red stripe. This colorway I do appreciate. So this is a pair that released a long time ago, and I actually missed out on the first release of these because, funnily enough, my card declined as I was checking out. But now I have them in my collection. I'm pretty happy about that. The hype on them has pretty much died, but in my opinion, that is a really clean colorway. And the stripe pops out a lot on the black prime knit beneath. And I think this is just an everyday wear if you don't have a pair of black Yeezy 350 V2s. So now we go onto the right hand side, and we'll open up this box here. And it is just another pair of the red stripe. I managed to get this on 2 accounts, so thought why not pick these up, and I'll probably hold them for a little while, see if they go up. If not, I'll just sell them. Next box on the right. As you can probably tell, my delivery guy wasn't very happy when he delivered all of these boxes. But this is the Yeezy Slide. And just a nice clean Yeezy Slide. I think this is the Onyx colorway. So everyday wear. They're relatively cheap, 75, and I think they go for about £100 at resale. But you have to go 2 sizes up because they do fit incredibly small, and I have heard that they actually shrink in the sun. So if you're wearing them like a proper slide on holiday in the sun, they'll probably shrink. So that's kind of a flaw with these. But nice pickup, pretty happy with these. The next pair on the right hand side here. So this is the Yeezy 700 Azael. These were going for an incredible amount of money, but they've dropped now significantly since the re-release. And I'm actually a massive fan of these. When I just pulled them out there, this is the first time I've ever seen them in hand. They're nice. This is a really clean colorway. I'm actually a big fan of these. I don't know why I didn't pick them up before, because yeah, this is probably my favorite 700 V3. Clean little kind of aqua blue on the bottom, and then a creamy upper with a black tongue and laces. Can't really go wrong with this. I'm a really big fan of this colorway. It looks really nice in person. And then the final pickup is this box here. So this is another pair of 700s, as you can tell by the box. Open it up, and this is a pair of 700 V1s in the analog colorway. Thought another clean colorway for summer, pretty much the similars to the V3 that I just showed you right there, but I think the V1 is better quality and just looks a little bit better. This is a small size, so I expect it to go up in price, but let me know down below what you think of my pickups, and did you pick up anything from Yeezy Day? Let me know down below. I'm probably going to be returning one of them, and that is the hyperspace, but the rest I will be keeping. Let me know how you did on Yeezy Day. How much did you pick up? I was holding out for the Yeezy Turtle Doves, but obviously they got cancelled here in the UK. But I have paid resale, so hopefully they will arrive soon. I've got a comparison coming very soon for them. And let me know down below in the comments if you want a comparison for any of the Yeezy shoes that I've just shown you now, or any other shoe that you have in particular. Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll try and get that sorted for you as soon as possible. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you picked up something nice for Yeezy Day, and good luck for Sneakers Day. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.